loosen the ring up above. The basket strainer may spin on you, so you may have to hold it. Let's take that nut off. You can see my paper washer getting all flared out. And remove it from the sink. Make sure you clean off the bottom of your sink so we make a nice tight seal. Next, we're going to clean out all the gunk from around the sinkhole. Be sure to use something plastic. If you use something metal, you may scratch your finish. You can, just be careful. Now we're ready for a new basket strainer.